good morning from beautiful Iceland highway. Just coming from north. Today is little cloudy and this is the beach alongside highway of Iceland. Sea surrounded by beautiful snowy mountain and this link of Pacific Ocean, which is aligned with the Victoria, Alaska and Vancouver, because that's only the ocean from the north attaching this beautiful island of Victoria and Vancouver. And that is not a small area. It is almost, if you want to go from here to Alaska, it is 2000 kilometer is coming and crossing the beach, while you have to take your boat or ferry, whatever you can. But honestly, that road is very nice. Views of everything you want to see while going. So this is left side, all the beach area. Some part there is also houses as well along with the beach side. That's surrounded by the mountain as well. If you see straight, there are trail of mountain, and if you see left, there is housing, but after the big ocean there is trail of mountain, because left side, if you just cross this ocean, so Alaska started, and some part of Alaska has 24 hours snowing and dark. Big mountain trail which link to the Alaska highways from Vancouver side. This is the Victoria side. Spider Lake, a lot of beauty.